Hello students, welcome to all of you Shiksha 360. As it sees basically on your screens now, basically there is a one word written that is IBAN, clear IBAN. Many of you have basically know basically what is this word in the banking, and some are for some basically this word is new. Clear. So now let's discuss regarding this very important. Basically, as in the branches, clear. Basically, as the time passes, there are more forex transactions. Clear. So this word is basically related to the forex transaction. So now let's discuss what is the meaning of this word. Clear. So what is exactly this is IBAN. So Shiksha 360 basically provides you JAP, CAP coaching. For all updates, you can email our official mail ID, or you can join our Telegram book group basically for the CAP 22, and for the JAP basically JAP exam 360. Clear. You can subscribe our YouTube channel basically for all the updates. Clear. Every week basically we will provide you 3 to 4 videos that is related to the banking technology, banking terms. Clear. So today basically we have to discuss regarding the IBAN. So what is the full form of the IBAN? Clear. IBAN basically stands for the International Bank Account Number. Clear. First of all, I will write here basically IBAN stands for the International Bank, B for bank, A for account number. International Bank Account Number, that is basically stands for the IBAN. So let's discuss some of the important things. So banks and other financial institutions, clear, basically keep track of your money. Clear. Basically banks and other financial institutions basically keep track of your money using a system of unique codes. Clear. Basically using a system of unique codes assigned to each bank. Clear. Basically a unique code is assigned to each bank or account they do business with. Clear. Either they have assigned unique codes assigned to each bank or account to do business with. Clear. So different countries, clear, here basically different countries basically use different systems. And the two most common systems are, first one is the IBAN number, and second one is the SWIFT code. Clear. Second one is the SWIFT code. Clear. In India, basically for money transfer, basically we will use the SWIFT code. Clear. Basically for the foreign money. In the internal, basically we will use IFC code. Clear. IFC code. So what is IBAN? Clear. So IBAN basically it is an alphanumeric number. Clear. First of all, basically it is an alphanumeric number, contains information that identifies a bank. Clear. Basically it is a number, alphanumeric number. From that number, we can identify a bank, country, and account number. With the length fixed by country, IBAN code basically up to 34 characteristics. Clear. Basically the range of IBAN basically code, it is 15 to 34 characteristics. Clear. 15 to 34 characteristics. Clear. Maximum up to 34. So IBAN number, shorts for the international bank account number, are a unique number assigned to a specific bank accounts involved in international business. Clear. Basically this is a unique number for every account holder. Basically this is a unique number. Clear. Like first of all we have IBAN, after that basically we will specific number, account number. Clear. So though not exclusive to Europe, IBAN basically it is mostly used in most European countries. Clear. Basically most European countries. Clear. It is basically used in most of the European countries. Clear. So let's discuss regarding that with the help of one example regarding the IBAN. So in an example of an IBAN code is at the Great Britain's National Westminster Bank. Clear. They have given that is one IBAN code. This is the IBAN code GB 29 NWBK 601613 319268119. Clear. So this one is the IBAN code. So before understanding this example, let's understand from the image also. Clear. This one GB. GB basically stands for the country code. Clear. GB basically stands for the country code. Clear. So the first two digits is basically helps to understand the country code. Clear. Now next one is a check number, that is this one, 2 digits. Now next 4 digits basically help us to understand the bank code. Clear. This one is the bank code. Am I dear? Next one is the sort code. Clear. Next one is the sort code, here 6 digits. And last one here is the account number. Clear. Account number, that is of 8 digits. Clear. 8 digits. 1 2 3 4 5 sorry 7 digits. This is the account number. Clear. So in this way basically IBAN has to be defined. Clear. IBAN has to be defined. Clear. So the first two alphabets basically helps to identify the country. Clear. Helps to identify the country. Same thing they are mentioning here. The first two, GB basically stands for the Great Britain. Clear. A 2-letter country code. In the initial basically we have 2-letter country code. After that 29. Clear. What is 29? Basically a 2-digit digit transaction number. Clear? Here they are mentioning that is check number, or we can say that the transaction number. Clear? This 29, it is a basically transaction number. Next we have 4-digit. Clear? National VAT Minister's Bank. Clear? National VAT Minister's Bank. Clear? A 4-letter bank code. Clear? Basically this is a bank code. Clear? 4-letter bank code, that is 4-letter bank code, that is basically NWBK. Clear? Next is 601613. Clear? What is that? This is a 6-digit bank sort code. Clear? This is a 6-digit bank sort code. Clear? Now next one is this one. It is a basically unique number specific to the bank account. Clear? Last one basically it is a unique number basically that is specific to the bank account. Clear? So sometime basically in any interview or in an examination basically they will ask a question regarding the IBAN. So I think you are able to understand now basically what is the IBAN. Clear? So if you live in a country basically that uses IBAN, you can find your IBAN number basically on your bank statement or by signing it into your online banking system. Clear? So basically like we can say that basically in India, basically you are providing a passbook, clear, from the bank. Similarly basically in any other country, clear, basically you can find your IBAN number basically either on your bank statement or by signing it into your online banking system. Clear? Online banking system. Clear? Now let's understand some more things regarding that. So basically if you are sending money internationally and need an IBAN number, clear, so ask your representative basically for the IBAN number of the deposit account. Clear? Of the deposit account. Clear? So the IBAN basically identify specific banks among the many financial transactions conducted worldwide among bank accounts. Clear? And they are especially important when it comes to international money transfer. Clear? Because it is very important for the government to track all the international money transfer. Clear? Basically to track all the international money transfer. Clear? So basically government keeps specific focus on all these transactions. Clear? On all these transactions. And here basically IBAN basically it is mainly used for the international transactions. Clear? And mainly it is used in the Europe countries. Clear? Mainly it is used in the Europe countries. Clear? So now basically if anyone wants to transfer funds to India, so what they will do? Clear? So please remember this is the IBAN, that is international bank account number. Clear? So now next question basically which arises is IBAN and SWIFT code is the same in India? Is IBAN and SWIFT code basically it is same in India? Clear? So now let's discuss a SWIFT code. What it identifies? A SWIFT code basically identifies a bank when there is a transfer process, whereas an IBAN basically helps to identify an individual account. Clear? Because in the IBAN we have already know basically IBAN. After that basically there is a 6 to 7-digit account number also, that is the account of the individual person. Clear? So basically a SWIFT code basically identifies a bank where there is a transfer process. On the other hand, basically an IBAN basically helps to identify an individual account that is associated with the bank in internal money transfer. Clear? That is basically associated with the bank in internal money transfer. Clear? So basically both are important for the transfer of money and plays an important role in running the internal financial market. Clear? And play an important role in running the internal financial market. Now next one more question. So basically where IBAN is used or basically where SWIFT is used. Clear? Like just for the example or understanding purpose. Clear? So IBAN is basically used by the 70+ countries. Clear? But like in India and the USA. Clear? Basically, but in India like and the USA, basically they not use the IBAN system. Clear? But in India and the USA, basically IBAN system it is not used. Clear? So basically which system is used in the India? So basically India used SWIFT code or BIC code. Clear? Basically in India basically SWIFT code is used. So what is the full form of the SWIFT and what is the full form of the BIC? So SWIFT basically stands for the Society for Worldwide. Clear? SWIFT basically stands for the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecom. SWIFT basically stands for the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication. Clear? Interbank Financial Telecommunication. And BIC basically stands for the Bank Identifier Code. Clear? Basically Bank Identifier Code. Clear? And India basically used SWIFT or BIC code basically instead of IBAN, and basically US uses basically routing number. Clear? Basically US using the routing number. Clear? So basically from here basically you are able to understand that different countries basically use different technology basically for the international money transfer. Clear? For the international money transfer. Clear? So basically wherever you are asked to provide IBAN for any Indian bank account, you can provide the SWIFT code or the BIC code. Clear? Or the BIC code. Clear? So now let's know how to find the SWIFT or BIC code. Clear? A Swift or BIC code, basically it is 8 to 11 digits. Clear? Basically it is 8 to 11 digits. So first four, next to last three. Clear? First four, basically that is basically the bank. Clear? That is basically the bank code. Next is basically the country. Clear? For India, like we can say that it is IN. Clear? For it is IN. Clear? Now next one is the location code. Last one it is the branch code. Clear? Last one it is the branch code. Clear? So in this way, basically Swift code it is to be formed. Clear? Swift code is to form. Clear? So basically, that basically this short video basically helps to understand what is the difference between the IBAN, what is Swift code, what is BIC code, and what is number. Clear? Which country basically uses which system for international money transfer. Clear? So thanks to all of you for watching this video. In the upcoming, basically we will take different videos. If you like the, so please like the press button and share this video with your friends also. Thanks to all of you for watching this video.